me see who remembers this. Let me see who remembers this. Who invented the candlesticks? This candlestick charts. Who invented that? That is correct. Munehisa Hama is the one that invented the Japanese candlesticks, which is what we use today. All right. Follow-up question. What are the 4 pieces of information that a Japanese candlestick gives us in one shot? What are the 4 pieces of information that the Japanese candlestick gives us in one shot? All right, so there are 4 pieces of information that a Japanese candlestick gives us. That's why they are so awesome, because they give us, you look at one thing and you already know 4 pieces of information. Okay, so you're going to look at the high price, the lowest price, the opening price, and the closing price. Okay, the open, close, high, low. Open, close, high, low. The opening price, the closing price, the high price, and the low price. All right, now, Munehisa Hama is the person that invented that. All right, Munehisa is the person that invented that. And now we know why it's so beneficial, because it gives us 4 pieces of information. Follow-up question. Okay, cool. In a red candle, what is the 4 things? Open, low, high, and open, low, high, and close. Open, close, high, and low. In a red candle, which one of these 3 is closest to the high? Okay. In a red candle, which one of these 3 is the closest to the high point? All right. In a red candle, the order of those 4 things from top to bottom is the high price, the opening price, the close price, and the low price. Okay. All right. Now, I got you too, Vicky. All right. So now I just gave it to you. So my next question, and I want you guys to do this very carefully. What is the order for a green candle? Starting from the top. What is the order? Yes. For a green candle, that is correct. The high, the close, the open, and the low for a green candle. So a red candle is reversed from the green. Okay, so let's do it again. From top to bottom, a red candle is the high, the open, the close price, and the low. For a green, it's the high, the close, the open price, and then the low. All right, so the 2 in the middle are switched if it's red or green. These 2 are switched depending on if it's red or green. So for the high are the same and the lows are always the same. High, low is still the same. But the middle ones, in a red candle, this is the opening price. In a green candle, this is the opening price. Okay? In a red candle, this is the opening price. In a green candle, this is the open price. So that's good information, because that's going to teach you guys how to read these charts. All right? That's going to teach you guys how to read these charts so that you can get in here and make this money. So awesome. So now we know the inventor of the Japanese candlestick, Munehisa Hama. We now know the 4 pieces of information on every candle. And we know how the green candle compares to the red candle in terms of opening price and closing price. All right. What is the rules to learn to trade with you? What do I do? So what I would suggest you do, go to my TikTok shop. In my TikTok shop, it's in my profile. Go to my profile. In my TikTok shop, you click that information there. I can't say certain things on here, so I have to be careful how I say stuff, okay? So if you go to my profile, there's something there that you can, and then then you can scroll down and look at number 1. Number 1, it says options trading tutorial. Okay, so that's what you want to get. Okay, so there's 2 beginners classes. One is the beginners class for options, and the other is the beginners class for stocks. You want both, but the one that's going to make you money more expedited is the options one. Okay.